If your toilet mounting bolts are too short after raising the floor with tile, you can extend them cleanly and securely so the toilet seats properly. Start by removing the toilet and inspecting the flange type and bolt length. If the flange sits above the finished floor, use a flange extender kit that includes a spacer ring and extra long bolts. Center the spacer and tighten evenly by hand first, then torque in small increments until snug. For a flange at or below the finished tile, use a stainless steel bolt extender, which threads onto the existing bolt and accepts the nut. Apply a small amount of thread sealant or plumber safe tape to reduce corrosion and lock the joint. When measuring for replacements, measure from the flange base to the top of the bolt plus 1 inch for washer and nut clearance, then buy bolts at least that long in stainless steel. If the original bolts are embedded in the flange plate, you can remove the nuts and slide the bolt up with pliers while supporting the flange or cut, and replace the hardware with machine bolts and nuts sized to match the flange slots. Use nylon lock nuts to prevent loosening over time. Always test fit the toilet dry before final caulk and torque to avoid overcompressing the wax ring. If the gap is large, use a taller wax ring or a wax-free gasket rated for the height difference. Common problems are sealing failure when bolts are too short, so the bowl rocks causing wax ring leaks. Fix by ensuring full bolt engagement and using a thicker wax ring or wax-free gasket. Another issue is corroded or incompatible metal extenders that gall or seize. Avoid mixing dissimilar metals, choose stainless steel extenders, and apply anti-seize or approved lubricant. The third concern is over-tightening, which cracks porcelain. So tighten evenly and stop as soon as the bowl is seated and does not rock. And if in doubt, use a torque limiting driver set to low or simply hand tighten and test. We built bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and source materials and advice for jobs like extending toilet bolts after adding tile. On our site, we connect contractors looking for work with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where we and others share tips, product recommendations, and step-by-step experiences